Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making either this, the watermelon, or that other little tea drink. There are some dot codes for the three I need, and they're all under this Tanghulu, is that how you say it? There's one here, and then one here, and one here. We're gonna start with this one. I have the other ones off camera. I haven't opened them yet, but let's see what's inside. All right, so we have tablecloth. And some leaves. Oh, it's the watermelon. I'm so excited for this. So it has like a plastic watermelon, and this stuff I believe is gonna feel like the kinetic sand type material they use. And they gave us a cool bowl to mix it in. Oh my gosh, with the watermelons on it. That has to be like the cutest thing ever. That's adorable. I love watermelon stuff, so I knew I would be excited for this one. You even have a new spoon. And it does get mixed with our coconut cream resin. Let's clean up and build it. Here's what it's gonna look like. And then the instructions tell you to mix it in the bowl. There's no way I'm doing that. I don't want that bowl with resin. I don't want to have to clean it out. So I'm going to use something else. But anyways, you're going to dump all the insides in there. I don't know how much of the resin. I guess just to whatever consistency it's going to like stack up into a mound. That's what I'm assuming. And then you just cut a little part of the mint leaf and stick it in the top. And that's it. That should be really easy. Now, I will say, I'm gonna use, I have 1,000 of these medicine cups. So a lot of times I will mix them in here and then I'll cure it, you know, instead of cleaning it out. Whatever's left over in there, I'll cure it and then recycle it. So I'd rather do that than get that cute little thing dirty and have to clean it and then it feels sticky or whatever. So that's my solution to it. This is a super cute idea though. I like how this is, the bowl is a watermelon. That's amazing. So you can scoop it out using that pink scoop. I don't want to, ooh, it's softer than I thought it would be. So we're going to dump all of this. Ooh, I love this stuff. You can use a spoon to scrape it out. It is pink on the inside still. All right, now we're going to add resin. All right, I'm going to use my favorite mixing tool, a toothpick. And yeah, I have no idea how much we're going to need, so let's just start with the smaller amount and try to mix it up. I feel like we probably need twice that amount because you want it to look pretty wet and icy looking. So let's add that, and we'll probably still need more, but that's fine. I'd rather do it a little bit at the time because then you could always add to it. You can't take away without making a mess. So, and I'm flicking it everywhere too. All right, another big scoop. Probably still need more after that. That's okay. I feel like it's getting there. It still looks like an ice cream kind of texture, so you probably could stop at that point if you wanted. But let's add more. Honestly, they didn't give you that much, so it almost looks like you can, in fact, add all of it, which is unusual. Normally you know, have leftovers and you don't need to add quite as much, but also, how is that going to cure all the way down there? I'm just now thinking about that. The underside I don't think will ever cure. Wonder if I should do it in layers. It definitely wouldn't hurt to do it in layers, that's for sure. Maybe I should do that. I might do that. Just put a little bit in. And then set it, then add the rest. With the leaf, of course, and then set it. And at this point, I can smell the resin. Not always do you smell it, but I smell it. Because I think with that amount, you can pile it up on top. And then put the spoon in it. I'll probably put the spoon in now, at this point. Like right there. I don't know, I hope I'm not making a bad decision. I'm gonna cure it and come back. So this is cured, it's all set up. Now we're gonna add the rest of it.
So cute.
I know. Hopefully.
If I had extras, I would make like a rainbow one with different
Ooh,
colors.
that's a good idea.
Like if
That's a really good idea.
Yellow, green, blue, purple, I would be mixing colors and experimenting. Or just like save some rev, or maybe just try to make it out, put some resin into and make new colors. Maybe try to do that.
Yeah, that would be a good idea.
I don't know if it'll work, but it sounds like a good idea.
So it's definitely a good texture or consistency when you add like just about all of the resin to it. The stuff I initially put down, you can tell it's a different consistency. I added a little bit more resin. But it's okay because we buried it anyways. So it doesn't really matter too much. I'm just doing like a...
swirling it?
Yeah.
Oh, because it has a swirl in there?
Well, it doesn't have to, but I'm trying to build it up a little bit. I'm also trying to cover the sides of it.
I like that little bitty watermelon bowl.
I know, that's what I said. Isn't that the cutest?
It's cute.
Everybody loves the watermelon bowl.
Perfect for my bedroom.
Yeah, you can have that one.
Yay. It's cute. And I can put my 1,000 mushrooms also.
Oh yeah, we do have 1,000 mushrooms.
From our molds. I think we should get some more resin for those.
Maybe. I'm gonna bury the spoon just a little bit.
This is fun to do. But yeah.
I'm not sure if I want it swirled looking or...
I think it would look good if it was just flat down.
Flat down, really?
Yeah. Like make it basic and easy. It still looks cute.
Basic and easy.
It looks cute. Probably looks cuter on paper also.
You're so funny. Oh,
I mean,
okay.
like in a drawing.
I think I'm gonna maybe leave it like that. It's mounted up a little bit. Nothing too crazy.
I think that's what the...
Alright. So now we need just one little...
Actually, 2.
What do they give us? 3 of them? That's a lot. I think I'll just pull off
Maybe if you
that
wanted
piece.
to put extras.
Yeah, you definitely could.
You need 2 on.
No, I'm just gonna do 1. And they have theirs tucked on the opposite side of the spoon.
Right side.
Yeah, like that. Should we do that?
Yeah.
This is cute.
I'm a fan of the bunny cake.
The bunny cake turned out awesome. Okay, let's cure that and I'll show you an up close view when we're done. Here's the final product. We have the watermelon sorbet. I think it's cute. Maybe in hindsight I should have like gradually mounted it up instead of it, I don't know. Maybe it looks slightly awkward. I don't know. What do you guys think?
The first time making this swirl looked way better.
Oh.
My opinion.
Okay. I killed the swirl. But I still think it's a really good idea for a build though. It's super cute. Maybe they'll do like a coconut one where you can make like a coconut drink. Yeah. That would be cool.
Wait, what if they start making Miniverse that you can make animals out of?
That would be exciting.
The food? with some of the food. Like with this one, a hippo.
A hippo?
Because hippos eat watermelons.
Yes, very true. I was wondering where you were going with that, but yes, very accurate. Hippos crush watermelons, don't they?
Yeah. So I think that one will go fit.
Yeah.
So do you have to buy a Miniverse and then buy the animal one?
Well, there are a bunch allegedly really interesting Miniverse coming out. Check out my Facebook page. There was like, what, Miniverse shoes, Miniverse jewelry, Miniverse Jurassic Park, a bunch of odd things, I think, for Miniverse to come out with that are rumored releases for this year. So we'll see.
My favorite Miniverse were the makeup and Hello Kitty.
Yes,
to be honest.
those were cute, to be honest.
I like Hello Kitty and I like makeup.
All right, what do you rate this out of 10 for this series? This series had some pretty good ones. I think I'll probably go like an 8.5 out of 10. What do you think?
10.5.
10.5 out of 10? We shoot big around here. All right. Well, that's what we have for you today. If you want to see me do the butterfly pea flower tea, I believe I have that one, and the Thai tea drink with boba coming up next. And then I also have that last appliance and one from the nature series. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.